Aviationaholic, AvGeek's first stop. Today's topic: Airline Alliances.
An alliance is formed when a group of airlines cooperate to expand their operation for personal and commercial benefits. The airlines, by joining an alliance, get a chance to be recognized with partner airlines which already have name and fame in the enormous aviation market globally. Customer satisfaction through frequent flyer programs, lounges, upgrades, etc. Convenient and flexible, with more flight options according to the passenger's comfort and convenience. Through an alliance, airlines are able to make huge profits, which are used for upgrading to newer aircrafts and providing more comfort and ease along with quality to customers. They have reduced competition, as in they don't have to compete with the bigger and better airlines. Instead, they work together to create a larger gap between the other common competitors. The three major alliances on the globe include Star Alliance, oneworld, and SkyTeam. Star Alliance. Founded on 14th May 1997, making it the first of its kind by famous airlines including United, Lufthansa, Air Canada, SAS Group, and Thai Airways. A project company based in Frankfurt, Germany, coordinates Star Alliance activities. These include co-locations at airports, infrastructure, communication initiatives, and other services to improve your travel experience. Currently, Star Alliance has 26 members from around the world, which is an assurance of getting anywhere, anytime, comfortably and hassle-free. According to its website, the alliance was created to provide smooth transfers across an extensive global network, together with rewards and recognition for frequent flyers. The 26 members and constant support and service result in 765 million plus passengers per annum, which is the largest of the three alliances. It offers an all-new frequent flyer program in accordance with its member airlines, providing world-class lounges and services around the globe. Star Alliance, before COVID, flied to 1,290 airports in 195 countries with more than 19,000 daily departures. oneworld. Founded in 1998 by giant airlines including British Airways, American Airlines, Qantas, Cathay Pacific, and Canadian. It includes 13 of the world-class airlines to be the first choice alliance for the world's frequent international travelers. They have a vast network around the globe, connecting 1,000 destinations in 170 countries with over 18,000 daily departures. It transfers more than 530 million passengers per annum, being the least of the three, but with quality and dignity of its own. oneworld, as the name suggests, offers well-connected destinations across the globe considering passenger safety, security, experience, and comfort. oneworld promises Wi-Fi enabled top-class lounges spread across the globe. To be specific, there are more than 650 comfortable and warm lounges with hot coffee available round the clock. SkyTeam Alliance. It is the youngest of the three major alliances, founded on 22nd June 2000 by airlines like Delta, Air France, Korean Air, and Aeromexico. It is headquartered in Amsterdam. With 19 members, it aims to provide flyers with a dedicated and consistent performance. It also aims for top quality and detailed attention to customer service and satisfaction. The alliance connects 1,150 airports in 175 countries with over 15,000 daily departures and a massive 790 plus comfortable lounges across these airports. It has a passenger count of 675 million plus passengers annually, being the second largest of the two. As it connects and transfers millions of passengers, it gives priority to easy and efficient transfers and provides the opportunity to earn and redeem miles according to their frequent flyer programs. Hope you have analyzed all the figures, so pause the video and comment down below which of the three alliances do you prefer and why. And are you a member of any of these alliances? And after you have done that, we will tell our preference after having analyzed the three alliances. We at Team Aviationaholic prefer Star Alliance of the three major global alliances, and that is because it is the largest of the three, which means it has a dense and huge coverage and reach around the world. It has a maximum number of daily departures, which suggests that the members are developing at supersonic speed, while their passenger convenience and quality with comfort go hand in hand. It has world-class lounges which frequent flyers yearn for, in between their flights, as they deserve to take rest, to relax, to rejuvenate and refresh. And with the top-notch frequent flyer program differing from airline to airline, it provides world-class facilities with assurance of security and customer satisfaction, always and every time. It is all for today. Hope you've enjoyed the journey. Your checklist for today, like every true aviator, is to like, comment, share and hit the red button, which is like a frequent flyer program for our viewers. Thank you and bye-bye. Hope to see you soon in the next one.